name is Yiwen Zhang. I'm in the same group with Yihao Li and Qizhou. According to your suggestion for our PM2, we changed our UML and data source. By 1 week hard working, we finally scraped the data of the desktop, laptop, and computer components from Amazon. Here's the data of electronic devices that we have got. Okay, so as you can see here, so the electronic devices, it contains all the general informations of the electronic products. It has URL, price and rating, number of reviews, and for the detailed information, you can see that it is within each table. And so those are the information of the computer components. So this is the table of electronic product that we have, and we also have another table for the data of the data, which is the book, and it has fields of like author rating, number of ratings, and number of reviews. And by using these two data sources, actually we have achieved the goal of 100,000 lines, and you can see the count of our rows here. Okay, so now I'm going to introduce the 8 queries that we have come up with related to the electronic products. And because of the problem of my SQL dump version, I'm not able to export my database and share it with other team members, so they didn't get the database of my part yet. We are going to solve this problem together in the future. Now I'm going to talk about those queries. The first one is like we choose the top 10 brands that have most in-store options for customers, which means they have the most products on sale. And so we did this by select every product from the laptop table and grouped it by producer and count them. So as we can see, the result is here. So the second query is the 5 most popular laptop brands. The definition of the most popular laptop brands is that that brand has sold most number of computers, which has the most number of reviews. As we can see here, first we select the product number of reviews and producers from the table, and then we group it by producer and sum the grouped number of reviews up as a total review number, and we limit it by 5, which is the 5 most popular laptop brands, and you can see it here. Okay, HP is the most popular one, actually. It's within our expectation. And so the third one is the 5 most popular laptop display sizes, and this is also a key factor for customers to choose their laptop. And so first we also select the display size and the product detail, number of reviews from the laptop table, and we join it, we group it by the display size, and we count the number of reviews, which is actually the number of people who have bought the product, and we order it by this number, and as with descending order, and limit it by 5, and here is what we got. Yes, actually as you can see, the 15 inches is the most popular one among all of the options. And the first one is quite interesting. It's about weighted rating. So we define the weighted rating by so first of all, we actually select the brands which have more than 1,000 reviews, which means we only care about some big companies. And for each product, we actually select the number of reviews times the rating of the product as assessment. And this is quite logical, because if it's actually represents the total score of the product. And then we add all the assessment up for each product of a brand, and divided by the assessment by the total number of reviews. Then we got a score from 0 to 5, and which represents the quality of a brand. And this is quite interesting, we think. And as you can see here, those are the top brands that we got. Actually, as you can see, I don't know the first brand, but second brand is Apple and Acre, and those are very popular. And the fifth one is like for customers or the users of this app who want to actually assemble the computer by themselves. They want to buy the components of computers and assemble them together to save money or for other reasons, just for curiosity or something. So we actually can help the user to we can actually offer them the best option based on the assessment. Actually, so the assessment here has the same definition with the last one, and we join all the best option together by this union function, and we got the best options with the best assessment here, and those are the CPU, graphic cards, and memory and hard disk products which have the best assessment. So the sixth one is also very interesting. Actually, if a user has a limited money and they only want products or computer components within a specific range of price, and we can also offer them the best combination. And so the way we achieve this is, first we select we use this join function here. We select the CPU products, the top 5 CPU products within the price range, and the top 5 memory products, and we join them together, and we will get 25 combinations. And among those 25 combinations, we order them by the total assessment, which is the assessment of CPU plus the assessment of memory, and we order it with the descending order, and then we limit the top 5 options. And here is the result that we got. Okay, as we can see here, those are the options with the highest assessment. And so the seventh query is is to provide the result of the brands which like the high-end products. So the way that we define the high-end product is the price over $1,000, and we just account of the product with the number of products with $1,000 divided by the total number of products of that specific brand. And if the ratio is greater than 0.4, then we think this brand is high-end brand. And by using this definition, we got the result here. As we can see, it's pretty close to the reality. Alienware, which is the brand, only targets at high-end products. And so the eighth one is like, for 1 TB hard drive, we want to select the product. We want to solve the average price of it. And the way we do it is like we select all the hard disks with 1 TB memory, which is the hard disk type equals to 4, and then we calculate the average of the price of those products. Then here is the price, which is $100, which is also close to reality. Well, thank you for listening. This is the part that I have done for PM3. Thank you.